All right, how about doing the area of a right triangle using calculus? Again, you know the area formula, so let's get there. Now, to draw this, to make this as easy as possible for us, here's what I think you should do in terms of where should we graph this in terms of using a function. I would make a simple right triangle here with the right angle on the origin. If I do that, why don't we label the x distance on that, the bottom length of the triangle A? How about we label the vertical distance B? And the other distance will of course be C, but we're not doing Pythagorean here. We're trying to find the area of it. So now, I feel like looking at this, I feel like the only function we need to really use would be this. We can call that the top. And if you want to, you could call perhaps the bottom here the bottom, if you want. But if you see the bottom there would just be the same thing as y equals 0. So it's not going to make much of a difference, but feel free. If you want to use top minus bottom, I would use those two functions. So you set up your integral, look and see where you're starting, what's the most left limit, and what's the most right limit. Think about that. The hard thing is, what do you put inside? What would top minus bottom be? Well, bottom, I think we know, it's over here, y equals 0. That's fine. But what is this top one? Well, it's just a line, and so we need the equation of a line. Let me give you some really good hints, guys. To find the equation of a line, you only need really 2 points. If you know the length of that vertical side there, you could figure out what this point is. And similarly, down here on the bottom, if you know what this horizontal length is, you know what this xy point is. So what I would do is I would find the equation of the line through those 2 points using slope and, oh my gosh, you know the y-intercept is right here too. That's awesome. Yay. So I would make the equation of that line. And when you get that equation, you'll put that right here. That will be your top. That equation, top minus, again, if you want to use the bottom, and then make sure you fill in your limits. Once you do that, it's actually a pretty easy integral and antiderivative. Make sure you know that a and b are all constant, so they're just numbers. X is the only variable that you have to worry about. Okay, folks, good luck on this one.